Hello, baby. I will be able to check a na Patch FM Bros. I hire Xposed GH. Who subscribe my minute to one hour inside Kabi. Patch for the past few days, no, mention the gem. Mention the gem. Baby says Bros a day. I Sakumono, Yebu boom for 4 dying. Yebu boom for 4 dying. Maybe you think they have done a mistake. But then person me bisa say me 1, 2, 3 B. But before then, yenko share the demolition and air cost was Sakumono. Yenko bra. I na me bisa say ewiase ne kra ye ba ne se ne ekọ ne sen so wo a wo hwe me wasi dan da ana what try so ba be si dan da you know what I'm talking about. Your entire savings in your si dan because a dance ye no sika koma emabiem enti obi won no be si dan na wie na adwuma agu ba ba bi odi ne ti betunti na sabe efie wura bi a otwitwi ne sen on me ka nche ne se tua rent no aka nkwasa 70 no afa ne saa na wenyina echi no na enne yegugu dan a eya me pese me bi sam semfoa 1 or 2 or 3 bi but before then no get a regional minister oba na or explain say oba hana structures we ni ho na enne wo ho yenko ne amra na me bi sasem.
Right, please before I come in, there's an allegation there. You took a coverage, so I want clarity from the forestry guy before I proceed. So forestry, please, can you clarify the allegations leveled against you?
What I would say is that per my operational work that I do, I come here with task force because when normally I come alone, I'm always faced with a lot of confrontations on the ground. So I would usually call on my task force, the Forestry Commission Rapid Response Team, and I move with them. Sometime within October, I was here with my task force. We didn't have any machine to even demolish some of the structures that are in the waterway. So we manually pushed some walls down, belonging to this same woman who is making the allegations. He came there, rained insults on me, and even series of curses and all that. I didn't mind her. At the time when we were pulling the things down manually, she told us that if we will still continue and break these things down, we should wait and we'll see. So when we were moving out of the site, then she came in with a Ram pickup, chasing the task force. We were then using a Nissan patrol van, and she was chasing us, and we were recklessly chasing us, and we suspected that she was carrying arms and all that, and the car was tinted, so we had to quickly leave the site. It was when we reached the MF estates, exiting the area, before she stopped chasing us, and we had to exit. And since that time, we have never been to the site, even though it falls within the waterway.
Accused you.
So far, she's paid about 40,000.
Please, I know nothing about that.
She's not the only person who has accused you. There's been several people who have come here to accuse you of taking monies from them and assuring them that they can go ahead and build. Not one, not two, several of them.
Who am I to assure them to build? And on what grounds will I collect money from somebody when I know what you are doing is wrong?
So you've not taken a single penny from
I haven't taken any money from anybody. I haven't taken any dime from anybody.
You emboldened them to build here.
I cannot embolden anybody to build here when I know it is wrong. and I have warned you severally, don't go there, and you are going there. How will I embolden you? There's no need emboldening you when I know the thing is wrong.
Why would different individuals, it's not like they're in a group, different individuals, come point accusing fingers on just you for taking money from them?
I am the site manager.
They've not accused anybody else.
Look at targeting the head, because we say in our local parlance that if fish will spoil, it will start from the head. So they would actually, what not the chiefs who are selling the lands to them? Why don't they go to them and attack them? I am a public servant. Why would they attack me? Because they know that per the information I have on the grounds, I'm the only person, if they target me, they will be able to have their way. And that is
do you know all the people who have tagged you as taking monies from them, all the people that have come here? Do you know any of them?
I would know these people because I keep warning them that where you are building is wrong. So definitely I would know them by faces. But it is not about taking anything from them. No.
You say that you've not taken anything from them, but have they voluntarily decided that, okay, take this, take that?
No, please.
Not a dime.
I would not even venture doing that.
Honorable Minister, we've heard both sides. What is your decision going forward?
My dear, I'm going to investigate this matter because I have interest in this. Like you said, we've been here severally. This is not the first time. And we heard series of allegations against him personally. Are you getting me? And so we have to investigate this matter and get to the root of this. And so that one I can assure you, because why have we gotten here? That is the question. Sometimes I don't blame them. My dear, people who are concerned to allow this to happen, they are the people we have to blame. Where are the engineers, the planners, what have you? Where are they? What are their duties at the assemblies, various assemblies? I mean, for you to sit and allow this to this level. And so, in fact, I was touched by the gentleman who knelt, crying that we should allow his building, we shouldn't, go close to his building. But my dear, because look at these churches. It's a huge investment. And so, if you should allow such a building like they said, you said they should continue with whatever, and they've gotten to this. What are we telling ourselves? And so that is what I need to investigate.
Would you allow your officer to step aside while you do the investigation?
Oh, not to step aside. I don't have that mandate. But, we'll approach the authorities and see the way forward. But you notice I've spoken with him, and he said he hasn't taken any money. My dear, it could be, I don't know whether it's the truth that he's saying. But you see, there's this idea that so sometimes I don't trust human beings. That one day I should be frank with you. Even my mother, I don't trust her. So I cannot trust human beings to the fullest. But we'll investigate the matter and see, the truth in.
Your summary of today's exercise.
Today's exercise has been successful. I'll say we've done a lot, and we are going to continue tomorrow and make sure that the entire, like I said, the entire stretch of the buildings should be done. So we'll continue the exercise tomorrow morning.
The demarcation we've seen so far indicates that you're not going to go beyond this point. Meanwhile, all those buildings there look like they're also in the waterway.
We'll be going beyond. I don't know whoever says so, but we'll be going beyond.
What were your plans met today?
Oh yes, I'll say so far so good, because the buildings that were targeted are all down. So yes.
So what happens to the buildings that are left? Are you going to zone them so that people do not come here, so that you're able to come here tomorrow?
We are going to look at the mapping so well. Like I said, it's not only this time. The other side too, we are going to investigate and see. Because when we asked, he said what? Human what? He used the word, human face. And so they allow the building to be that. That was what he said. So I don't know the type of human face that he's talking about. And so if you allow human face to live that at the other side of what about this side? So we are not going to leave any stone unturned. I'll make sure that provided the place is a Ramsar site, Ramsar site is Ramsar site, and no one is above the law. Law is law, so we are going to deal with it.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. MC, this is your jurisdiction. Are you also satisfied with today's exercise?
Well, largely it's been so far so good. all our targets have been met, and it's been met well. We would continue tomorrow unabated. Yeah.
Do you have anything to say about the accusation against the Forestry Commission?
Well, I have nothing more to add than it would be investigated. You know, allegations are allegations until facts are given to back the allegations. So we urge whoever has the facts to back the allegations that they are given to bring forth the facts. We'll peruse it, and then the necessary actions will be taken. He belongs to the Forestry Commission, and we don't have jurisdiction over him. So I can't say anything, any sanctions that will go against him.
Okay, thank you.
Me pa chow demolition na ye no. Debia me kase. Debia problem here solve here, we go to the end of the problem. We don't go to the beginning. Shema Mika Bibin show. It does not need to take the Greater Accra Regional Minister to go around and tell whoever is in charge at the Lands Commission, who has been given mandate and power under the Constitution of Ghana, say go and what? Demolish what? Houses. Now me patch and say the Greater Accra Regional whatever minister and it behoves on whoever is there, the Metropolitan Assemblies, the Land Commission, whoever is in charge should be sacked first before there should be what demolition. And then I make us sabe ewiase ye we yetuo bi obi aka for adwuma obeye yetuo bi ka ewo your friend saying the AMA or whatever to see to it there say unauthorized structures are not put in place. These are people who have what mandated laws under the Constitution who can use and exercise the police power to evict anybody who starts a project. The same time, no, ye won't conform at the lands. I say, assassin na yet no. Bibi anyone now. Let me give you two scenarios. So koto assassin. Now person can verify even at the lands. The stress that you go through, sometimes the frustration that you go through, into some of them won't even go there. Number two, AMA no, whatever, and ultimately conniving with people. So that at the end, they know say where you are is wrong, but they will tell you say, oh, obiye hu ya, it's okay. Now, when you're not on sansasi way, nan your ton sansasi no, what have they done to the person? Because and your first time my all ton sansia in sansasi no, I say. Now regional minister pacho only eduma be apart from what demolition no one make us some ba because enya we eduma no. Enya we eduma ye de ma wo constitution no no. Say we are say we yan to yebo ni ahihye oman se ne yankwa de bia gimie saa aban bi ba kiti na agiegu enti sustain your progress as a nation because instead ye de emrabeto to akwam na obi ntimi nya boni whoever is in power no ye ntimi nya saa enti ene kofi ba ya no aye say ochina ya ba ya no aye say a wo hwa enko ba bia. But ewiase de bia me ka se bi me say ye de yew na anya wo da ye be continue de yew e na sabe ye twa kwan no na amfa feature a o say at etene e fa feature de o say enye. Now another point is that this thing has been going on. It's more so a motor sase no nim nyansa say it's high time say you do check and recheck before you pay people your money. You can go and do it. It doesn't matter, say, it better take how long, because the money, you don't want to mess it in it, you have to wait. And now you can say, no, be part of prayer, no part of video. But what needs to be done, because Ghana, we've come of age. But I mean, say, whoever is supposed to prevent that, he should be fired. Whoever, I am preventing people from putting structures, they should fire the person. You can't tell me say you don't have the security to go there. Me say engineer Bakunoka, he doesn't know his job. Yeah, pamo man, your baby be na ko beti na adwuma. Asem we be di echi I expose GHFM Bros. Subscribe share me to my answer ka be Manuel.
watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.